Join me at Canada's Wonderland's Winterfest for their very first night. On this night, we experienced the very first tree lighting ceremony, and they went back to their old music, which I really liked because the new music that they did last year I didn't really know the words to. We also went to the very first Tinker's Toy Factory show for the Winterfest season, and that was amazing. Tinker's Toy Factory is full of acrobatics, stunts, and just full-on Christmas cheer. We also marathoned Snoopy's Racing Railway a total of 6 times because now that and Wonder Mountain's Guardian is also open for Winterfest. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. We are at Winterfest!
Yeah!
Very first day of 2025.
I'm crying right now. I don't.
Look at this. Okay, we are walking to Lazy Bear because it's raining. As you can see, it's raining. And you can hear thunder. So we're hiding under this umbrella.
Okay, let's just. Yeah, and I'm the one holding it.
Yeah. So we're gonna go on Guardian after.
We're big back, so we're going to Lazy Bear first.
I want to ride Alpine, but I can't. It's closed.
Very.
Sugar Plum Fairy. Yeah. We are rope dropping the food. Here are the options.
As big back, it is our job.
Yes, it is our job to rope drop the food.
Plus, the food is really good. So.
Yeah.
I've
I
heard.
mean, some of it's still the same though.
Ricky.
I'm wet. Yeah.
No.
Oh, and it's easier to see too because you're wearing like.
Clearly you like food.
So guys, cancel Thrill Fanatic. He's body shaming plus size people. Wait, I'm not even plus size, but anyways. Yeah.
Okay, but these are their options. Mashed potatoes, vegetable chili, holiday bread stuffing, sweet potato. I don't want to read the rest. And that's the entrees. But there's other restaurants. Okay, so Lazy Bear Lodge didn't have the turkey that I wanted until 30 minutes after. So we're at Graham World Eatery now. So that's the food. That's the sides. And that's the desserts. All look very delicious. Okay, so I finally got my food at Graham World Eatery. They took a very, very, very long time. They're severely understaffed. You got way more sauce than me, by the way.
I know.
They're severely understaffed here.
This is what I'm using as a napkin.
And he has a glove.
Brother.
So yeah. So I had to put my pasta in here because
I was
they
so
didn't
excited.
Actually
I was so excited
it didn't
for
come with
Winterfest
pasta.
food, and then I got this.
So yeah. After this we're gonna go on Cyclone or Sledgehammer, then Tinker's Toy Factory. We're heading to Tinker's now. Who's ready for Tinker's?
Woo! Tinkers! Fine.
We are at Tinker's for the very first show of the season. Are you excited for Tinker's?
Yes. Grandma eatery food was terrible. Do not go there, please.
Yeah, don't. By the way, you're not allowed to film during the show, but this is before the show, so that's why I'm allowed. So don't be filming
guys,
with
don't
flash
get the
during Tinker's.
Yeah, don't get the poor guy into
Hi. Look at this view. The reflection. This is just amazing. We had a great time at Tinker's. Amazing as always. Full of hype. Yeah. So now we're gonna go to Guardian. This is illegal. No. How? Why would they do this to Leviathan? No. No. I can't look at that anymore. Train takeover on Boo Blasters. And
You are so unintentionally funny.
I know I am.
NPC.
You're an NPC.
You?
Guys, with the right
Because
You look like a mine shack.
No, because you know those like NPCs in like GTA 5, right?
Yeah.
I didn't know. Where's Lucas? I like him behind me.
Oh, Heather Hill is also an NPC.
You're an empty. We're doing a Snoopy Zen ride, just us. Oh, never mind.
Is everyone ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, prospero año de felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad.
Okay, we just got off Wonder Mountain's Guardian. Some of the screens weren't working and the lights were on. Plus the drop track lights were on, so that was cool to see the mechanism. But I have to say the drop track is much better at night. But yeah, cause like, or sorry, not at night. Like when it's darker. But we're now going to Clockworks. Here are the reindeers. They're animatronics. And here's Alpen Fury, just sitting there and not. Your nose so bright.
What? Kate?
Yippee! I ever laugh on video now. Look, they still have the lights on. Isn't the mountain so beautiful? Look, they're removing Yukon. Look how beautiful it looks. There's Skyhawk and Lazy Bear. Lazy Bear looks so good. Also, look at that bear like going pee.
Wait.
Oh!
Celebrity, paparazzi.
Oh, I love that. That's actually the most. Wait, let me see yours.
No, mine's bad. It's just the flash. And it's tiny. And it was
Yeah,
a
that's-
cyclone.
Okay.
Cyclone.
Well, you got coasters then. Christmas lights.
Look at the lights on Windseeker.
Fuck.
Looks amazing.
It's a really cool photo, just saying.
So pretty. Okay, we just did Thunder Run, and now we're at Alpen Fury. We're gonna hang out at Alpen Fury for a little while and marathon Alpen Fury. Are you guys excited for our Alpen Fury marathons?
No, close it until next June.
Boring alert! Boring alert!
No! June! Help. Okay. But yeah, it's so sad that it's closed. The LSMs are covered. Test seat. Oh yeah, the test seat.
It's still open. Status.
Mary's a little occupied right now.
It was a pleasure meeting you.
Vlogception. Ow. Vlogception.
He was like tutu.
Bye.
Tutu? You mean Toodaloo?
Jerry's actually crying.
Okay. Now before I leave, it was a pleasure meeting you. Before I leave, it was a
Oh
pleasure
my god, just
meeting
go
you.
home!
Go home, Ricky. Go home.
Toodles! I can't physically
You stand up. It's crazy.
Well, the camera quite loves me, so you're feeling it.
Where are the lights? I love that these are the haunt houses. Trick or treat street. Taxi Jam train takeover. Sorry. Hi. Nice trees you got there. I love your trees. Yeah. You're not slick.
I'm gonna get him again.
You're not slick.
He wants that. Oh, he's getting
Okay, so we're doing
We're doing a Woodstock Whirlybirds train, or not, a ride takeover.
Yeah, we're stuck whirly birds train take
Yeah, we're gonna whirly like a bird.
take over with all these people together.
Yeah.
Well, the guys, y'all are all.
Hurry up.
Heard worse.
Hurry up.
What?
We're racing with the clock.
Oh my-
We're racing with the clock.
Hurry up.
Racing with the clock. We're racing with. Okay, we just did Woodstock Whirlybirds, and now we're heading to go get a funnel cake. So that was our last ride. Yeah, great night. I'll show you more when we have our funnel cake. This is our funnel cake, the reindeer one. Looks amazing. Very good.
Oh, it's so perfect.
Yeah. Okay, so we devoured that funnel cake. It was so good. I loved it. Now we're heading out.